Hey, what's going on, guys? So, for today, I am going to show you how to delete your Gmail account permanently. Now, first, you can go ahead and go to your phone settings, scroll down to Google, tap on Manage Your Google account, and here tap on Data and Privacy. Now, scroll down and tap on Apps and Services. So here you can see an option that says delete a service. You can go ahead and tap on it. Now you can delete Google services on your device. You can delete Google services, delete Google account. You can download your data and do other things. Now for this example, let's go ahead and click on delete Google account. So here, all you need to do is provide your password and follow the prompt, and you should be good to go. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.